Hey everybody, my name is Dwayne, worldwide, latest mix international, worldwide. I'm actually here to talk about the Chronic Pain Association of Canada. Now, I came across their website a few weeks ago, and I just happened to message them this morning, early this morning. Ago, and I just happened to message them early this morning, so I'm hoping to get a response. Now, I've been researching their work and everything like that, and it seems like their work is quite extensive, and I'm quite impressed about what they're offering for chronic pain. So now I'm going to be actually talking about this association. This association has been doing this for quite some time. They've brought up the opioid crisis in Canada, and kind of a little bit touching in the United States of America. Now, with that being said, there is a lot of people out there that suffer from chronic pain, like myself, that are being treated like addicts. Now, I am not an addict. I require pain medication to be able to function. Now, today is a decent day for me. The pain is actually quite, actually it's low. I can't say it's the best, but it's low. So with that being said, that's why I'm making this video. I'm actually in the vehicle right now. I just wanted to do this video while the wonderful, beautiful girlfriend is actually in physio, getting some physio work done. Long story, I'm not even going to get into that right now. So let's talk about it. All right, the Chronic Pain Association of Canada, amazing organization. They do a lot for fellow chronic pain sufferers. Now, what I want you to do is subscribe to my channel, like my channel, or like my videos. Please subscribe, though. It's a big thing. I'm trying to build my subscriber list over time, and just do me a favor, subscribe, share my videos too. That would be absolutely peachy. So let's get right into it. All right, so now, I know a lot of people suffer from chronic pain, chronic suffering, who has been denied medication by their family doctor or their pain specialist or anything like that. I'd like to see a comment below. So I'm quite curious on who's been denied, who hasn't been denied, who has issues and who doesn't have issues. I personally have been denied my medication due to the fact that they call it double doctoring. Now, the only reason I was double doctoring, now I didn't think it was a big deal. What I was trying to do is I was trying to stock up on medication so I wouldn't run out. There was always a fear of running out of medication. I hear sirens too. Fire department. Anyways, I was accused of double doctoring, and I did notify my other doctor of my medication from my pain clinic. Now I've been denied all medication, so any referral from my family doctor does include this narcotic contract breach, which is absolutely ridiculous, because, you know, people like myself and millions of other people out there suffer from severe chronic pain. This is not fair. This is absolutely not fair. I was only doing it for one reason and one reason only, just for the reason I mentioned. But I'm being treated like an addict. So now I can't get any medication from anywhere. Any doctor or surgeon I see gets this report also. I think this should only be kept between the pain clinic and my family doctor. I think it should stop at that point. But no, it does continue, which is really unfortunate. Because now I'm suffering absolutely horribly on a day-to-day basis because I'm unable to get the medication I require to be able to function properly and to be able to be a working member of society. Because of this, I am unable to work. I am unable to fulfill my financial obligations as a person. I'm unable to do a lot of things. I'm unable to even go for walks. I'm unable to do anything of any sort to be able to be a normal human being. I was taking this medication for years because it was working. And of course, you know, it was working at about 80%, okay? I was looking to get something a little stronger because the oxycodone I was on, it was starting to get to the point where it wasn't working. And I totally understand the whole concept of opioids. They only work for a little bit and then eventually you need more. I get that. And it was starting to bother me that I required a little bit more. So I was taking 4 a day. So 1 in the morning, 1 in the mid-afternoon, afternoon, evening, and then before I went to bed. 4 times a day. But I was taking those 4 at night instead, just because I could get up in the morning feeling a lot better. Because 1 didn't cut it. So, how do I explain my issue? Now let me see here. My issue stems from an accident that happened in 1999. I got hit by a drunk driver, okay? I got hit by an impaired driver riding my bicycle in the Durham region many years ago, over 20 years ago actually. And I believe that's where it really sparked the chronic pain. I do have fibromyalgia and I also do have lupus. Now I have both of these disorders or diseases, I don't know what you really call them, that are extremely painful. Just do some research on fibromyalgia and do some research on lupus and you'll see. I can even post some links below so you can take a look at what I saw. And then look at all the pain that people go through. Look at the symptoms and signs of lupus and fibro, and then you'll see on a regular basis what people have to go through. And it's brutal, absolutely brutal. So this medication was helping to be able to function, at least to be able to make it through a day at work and not have to break down in tears and keep going to the washroom to pop Tylenol all day long, because that's what it was getting like. It was getting to the point where I was popping Tylenol. Now I'm popping Tylenol #1 like they're going out of style. People look at me like, wow, you're taking that much? I'm like, yeah, I am taking that much because it works almost like an opioid. And I understand that Tylenol does metabolize in your body as morphine, and I get that. I totally get that. I totally get that concept. So, this is the problem I'm having. Now, I've been suffering with this for a very long time. It is a very painful condition, and I'm stuck. I've been looking at the black market to buy drugs that way. It's one of those things where if you get cut off, you just want to go somewhere else for relief. Marijuana does not work. CBD oil, tincture, anything like that does not work. And I've tried it in very high doses. I don't like being high. I don't like the feeling of being high. So with THC in the marijuana, I don't like that feeling. Maybe when I was younger, I used to love it. When I had a couple of drinks, I'd get super high, whatever. Not now. I'm 40 years old now. I don't need that crap. I want to be able to function properly. And I understand some people can function perfectly fine. I can't do it. And there's nothing against people that use it on a regular basis because it works. That's fine for them. But for me personally, no. I've tried multiple opioids that really didn't work. Morphine worked as long as I crushed it up and put it into a coffee and drank it in high doses. Oxycodone worked quite well. Fentanyl, I've never really been able to experience fentanyl, even though I wanted to, because I wanted to try the patches or the lollipop or something to be able to make me function without any pain. But my doctors were always so hesitant about providing fentanyl to me, and it really made me upset. And that's when I started, stocking up on my oxys, because I knew something was going to happen in regards to the crisis here in Canada. And it's unfortunate that I now am being treated like a child with this issue. And it's not fair to me and to many other millions of other people out there. So just comment below, like my videos, and do me a favor, go to the links below. I'm going to start posting some links so you can go purchase certain items to help support the Fibromyalgia Society of Canada, and to help support, you know, the Chronic Pain Society of Canada, whatever it is. You know what, I'm going to start posting some links. But this is a big factor. No, so if you do know somebody that's suffering from these issues or any other issues that cause chronic pain, say cancer or leukemia, which is part of cancer, but anybody that suffers from pain should watch this video. And I hope you can relate to the issues that are stemming from this government screw up. The government is treating chronic pain sufferers like addicts, and I don't find that okay. I find it's something wrong. Don't treat us like addicts, because we are not. We're only looking for relief. That's all we're looking for. We're not looking for anything special. We're not looking for special treatment. We're not looking for anything like that. So share this video with all your friends and family who suffer from pain. I want them to subscribe to my channel. I want them to go onto my Facebook, onto my groups, and I want them to go onto my Instagram group, my Instagram page, and add me in all these different places, because we need to spread the word, and let's do this together, because it's important that chronic pain sufferers like yourself out there, not just me, you out there also, need to be heard. So let's be heard. Let's let Canada know, and the United States, sorry to exclude you for a second there, I want you all to be heard by your government, by your MP, by your mayor, by your whoever your governing body is where you live. I want you to be heard by them. Okay, I want you to share this with your government officials. I want you to make this video aware. I want people to be aware about my video. I want you to post some pictures of your swelling, like of your leg swelling, of things like, just post. Just do me a favor and post. Don't spam. I check all my, I review all my comments. Let's be heard. Let's make this worldwide. Let's make this known to every government official out there. Let's make this known to all the medication manufacturers out there, all the big pharmas. We need to let them know what the problem is. This is a big problem. So let's get out there and spread the word about this, okay? We need to let this be heard. Has to be. It has to be. Because we suffer horrible. And with that being said, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment. All right, let's spread this word. Let's get her out there, okay? Again, my name is Dwayne from the Latest Mix Worldwide, Latest Mix Worldwide International. I'm located up here in the very cold country of Ontario, Canada today. We're sitting at at about minus 15 degrees Celsius. I have no idea how cold this is in Fahrenheit, but it's very cold. Everything is all white. People are bundled up. You can't even see who they are anymore. It's freezing cold. So, and it's not helping the pain any, trust me. So get out there, share, subscribe, like, comment. 4 things you got to do. 4 things you have to do to make this worldwide. All right, everybody. Again, my name is Dwayne. Latest Mix Worldwide, Latest Mix International. Let's make this heard. We'll talk to you guys later. Again, subscribe to my channel. Cheers, Ontario, Canada.